Alright, hello again, and today in my multi-tool review jamboree thing, overview, next up in line is the LeatherMan Wave. Here it's got a nice leather pouch. Now when I take it out, I'm going to tell you it's the most popular and best-selling model by LeatherMan. Alright. Here we go. On this side, it's got a serrated blade, sheep's foot style, and it's got a wood saw right there. If you press it out with a key or something, you get a keychain, but it's way too big and heavy for that, I think. On this side you have your diamond file, your metal saw, and your other file, wood and metal file. And here you have the main clip point blade. I'm sorry, there's a fly buzzing around me. And those are all the tools on the outside. They are all one-hand locking tools. You open up the pliers. You've got a pretty good set of pliers with needle nose, and they've got hard and soft wire cutters. In here, this side, as you can see, they don't have they've really greatly improved the amount of tool clumping when you take out the tools as compared to the older PST and PST2. But here are the scissors. Then here's also very small for eyeglasses, double-sided bit with a small flat head and a small Phillips head screwdriver. And then right here we just have a flathead screwdriver. On the other side we have a double-sided large bit with a Phillips head screwdriver, a regular size Phillips head screwdriver, and a regular size flat head screwdriver. And last but not least, we have this, which is a combination can opener and bottle opener. Then right here we have the wire scraper. And that's the LeatherMan Wave.